Gasmax Superfast RC series. Gas fryers, engineered for high-performance kitchens. Available in LPG and natural gas, with 4 sizes to match any kitchen and output demand. RC400TE feature a twin tank design for frying 2 foods at once. The rest are single tank models for easy use and maintenance. Multi-jet burners with tube heating deliver fast, even heat with minimal loss. Burners are fully submerged for maximum efficiency. Stainless steel construction ensures durability and heat resistance. Precise mechanical controls keep oil temperature steady for consistent results and energy savings. A cold zone traps crumbs, slowing oil breakdown. 32mm clog-resistant drain valve for smooth draining. Stainless steel baskets with fine mesh crumb screens keep oil cleaner. Removable basket hangers and front access make cleaning easy. Versatile for fries, chicken and seafood. Flame failure protection, Australia and New Zealand Gas Authority certification for safety. Adjustable legs, 1/2-inch gas inlet, stainless steel lids and baskets, ready to use. Optional oil filtration system keeps oil clear and extends its life. Frymax Superfast RC series. When it's busy, you need more than speed. You need reliability.